Hello everyone, Nick Rondinelli here. Welcome to First Aid for Real, Episode 3. We're going to watch an amazing video that's going to highlight the difference between wearing a seatbelt and not wearing a seatbelt. You're going to see a collision. I know it could be triggering for some people, but I can tell you right now that the gentleman in the vehicle, they are fine. Okay, so the person on the left is wearing a seatbelt. The person on the right is wearing no seatbelt. Watch what happens at the moment of collision. Okay, so we're going to look at that again. Look at the person on the left. Look at the person on the right. Unbelievable. You can see that the person on the left barely moved. The person on the right, wow. All right, so we're going to actually watch another video just to solidify the point here. All right, so you can see the car approaching, and there's going to be a head-on collision right now. Okay, did you see that? All right, let's back it up and watch it one more time. Pay close attention to the driver. Are you ready? Boom. Okay, right there. That could be a very serious head and spinal injury. It could mean death. It could be a brain injury. It could be whether or not a person actually is going to be paralyzed for the rest of their life or not. If you ever get into a car and you're thinking, should I wear one? Should I not wear a seatbelt? Remember this video and buckle up.